Are you excited about the new 10.5-inch iPad Pro, but unsure how to add support for it in your app? You're not alone. Today, we're going to walk through the steps to ensure your app is ready for this fantastic device. I totally get it. With every new device release, it can feel overwhelming to keep your app up to date. Many developers face this challenge, especially when it comes to supporting new screen sizes. So let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, how do I add support for the new 10.5-inch iPad Pro in Xcode 8.3.3? They mentioned using storyboards with auto layout and having all app icon sizes ready. Sound familiar? Let's tackle this together. Understanding the issue is crucial. The 10.5-inch iPad Pro has a unique screen size and resolution, which means we need to ensure our app's layout adapts perfectly to it. This is where auto layout shines. And stick around. I have a bonus tip at the end that will help you optimize your app for all iPad sizes, not just the new one. To add support for the new 10.5-inch iPad Pro, the user should first ensure that their Xcode project is set up to support the latest device sizes. This involves updating the project settings. Next, the user needs to check the deployment target. They should set it to a version that supports the 10.5-inch iPad Pro, which is iOS 10.3 or later. Now, the user should add the new device size to the launch screen storyboard. This ensures that the app displays correctly on the 10.5-inch iPad Pro. Finally, the user should test the app on the 10.5-inch iPad Pro simulator to confirm that everything looks and functions as expected. Fun fact: the 10.5-inch iPad Pro has a resolution of 22 and 24 by 16 and 68 pixels. That's a lot of pixels to play with. Make sure your app takes full advantage of this stunning display. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests reverting to individual launch images instead of using a launch screen storyboard. This workaround has been effective for some users. Here's that bonus tip I promised. Always use size classes in your storyboards. This will help your app adapt to any screen size, making it future-proof for any new devices that come out. And there you have it. Your app should now support the new 10.5-inch iPad Pro. Remember, keeping your app updated is key to reaching more users. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.